Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can convert photo into the cartoon with Canva AI features. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on canvas. So let me put one photo here. You can upload your own photo from here. Okay, and you can search photos from Canva. Okay, so now we got this. Okay, now what you need to do, just select that image, go to the edit and Magic Studio. We need to go in this option called Magic Edit. Okay, select the all image and just give the prompt like convert to the cartoon style and just generate. So it will be start working. Let me see it's work or not. If it's not work, we need to give the another prompt. So let's see. Yeah, it has been converted in cartoon. Okay, so you can give the prompt what you want. Okay, you can also give the prompt convert into 3D cartoon. Okay, and generate. It's maybe work. Let me see. And I will show you another method. Okay, yeah, it's converted. It's look like some kind of 3D views. Okay, now just go back and here we have photo with the cartoon style. Okay, and the another option, let me undo. Here the app, you can search any app for this work. Like if you want to cartoon, then search for Cartoonify or whatever, or Cartoon Maker. So we have lots of image here. Every image has the free credit, so you can use. So let me search for Cartoonify. Let me open. Okay, we have selected that image. Here the style, you can choose which style you want. You can also give custom instruction like I want 3D effect, and we have one credit, so you can use this. Let me see. Yeah, it's done now. You can replace image, you can add to design or generate again, or you can start over. So I just add to design. Here the design. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.